Oh my gosh, my hand can't stand this anymore. It's getting red. Ow. Okay. So today we are gonna do how to make a bookmark. So you need those scratchy things, like when you scratch some rainbow comes out. So, and then I'll show you. All you need is that one of them, and then some scissors. It doesn't have to be big or whatever size. So you can use this to scrape it. I am gonna be making. I have no idea. A cup. That's not the best cup. But whatever. Cup. And now you really need the scissors to cut it out. Kind of hard cutting it. So I finished cutting it. I got a little cup bookmark. I got from this. Oh, there's no more water. Anyway, what else should I make out the rest? So I don't need. Ooh, a flower. I'm gonna. Oh, that's a bad circle. I got it out. Let me just cut it. This will be easy. I just need to cut out a circle. Look, I got it. So when you're done, you can see if they work. Here, here. I can show you how to use them. It's like a normal original bookmark. So here, I'm gonna use this book. And I can, I want the cup. So let me just do that. Voila! Let's try the flower. Ooh, it works. Perfect. Whoa, I did not expect that to happen. Let me make one more thing. A phone. There we go. That one was easy. Look. This one is totally gonna work. Whoa. Hey, also can fit right here. Perfect. And we can flip it out upside down. So I hope you liked my video. See you next time. Bye.